Let's make this incredible, delicious chicken in Creole Mustard Sauce. I got a message from a very kind person in Louisiana on my last video about deviled eggs, and it really touched my heart, so today I decided to make this dish. A classic from Louisiana's Creole kitchen, made right here in my Japanese kitchen. Simple ingredients, not much time, but the moment you take a bite, it feels like something special. The kind of dish you'd want to share with someone you care about. Today's dish, chicken in Creole mustard sauce, a Southern American-inspired creamy mustard chicken. Season both sides of the chicken thigh with paprika, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Mince the garlic and onion. The kind of person from Louisiana who messaged me said, be prepared for spice and peppery flavors. Louisiana food typically has lots of cayenne, peppery spices, and onions. There's an old Cajun joke, if peppers and onions were outlawed, we'd starve to death. And I learned that spices and onions are so important in Louisiana cooking. I replied that for us Japanese, it's probably rice and soy sauce. Mix the chicken stock powder with water. Heat olive oil in the pan over medium-high heat. Cook skin side down for 4 to 5 minutes. Flip and cook another 4 minutes set aside. In the same pan, add butter and cook the onions and garlic on medium heat for about 3 minutes. Add the chicken stock and scrape up any bits from the bottom of the pan. Add the mustard and mix well. Reduce to low heat. Then add the cream and warm for 2 to 3 minutes. Return the chicken to the pan and simmer on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. I added a little more cream to make it extra creamy. This dish goes perfectly with rice, so I prepared some rice using my cat-shaped Macchou mold. Now let's plate it up. Done! Oh, this is so good! The mustard and cream come together into this rich, cozy sauce. The Macchou mold rice is the perfect match. The chicken is tender and juicy. I think this must be what Creole feels like. Simple, but it really feels like something special. I want everyone to feel happy and relaxed. That's why I make this YouTube channel. It's a channel where I cook food from around the world in my tiny Japanese kitchen. Eat it and just feel happy. My cat Macchou sometimes gets in the way. I'm always so grateful for each and every one of you. Meeting you through YouTube, it fills my days with new discoveries. Someday I hope to travel to where you are and taste the authentic dish. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Your kind messages always warm my heart. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And I'd love to make your requested dishes, so please write them in the comments. See you in the next long video, short video, or live. I hope today is a wonderful day for you too. Thank you always.